All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays. Back at another airport. You're going to be having these videos for a while. I'm about to start approximately a 30-hour airplane journey throughout the world. We'll see how that works. The real adventure is going to take place on my next flight, which is international, and we'll see how I get on that flight without a COVID test. We're gonna find out. Uh, but I'll try to bring you another video when I land. I am on my way to Washington D.C. And then from there I would be on a flight to Ethiopia. But for now, let's look at the charts. Very crowded airport for being sort of the middle of the night and COVID. So here's the monthly chart. And since Thursday is over, we're already going into Friday. I'm going to go ahead and raise my line of concern up to about 38,000. As long as Bitcoin stays above 38,000, I am comfortable with the long-term bullish position. I wonder how many people are watching at this hour. Australia must be happy. New York, not so much. Weekly chart. The weekly chart looks very clean and very bullish. We have a green star candle. We have a candle that is completely above the MRI second consecutive top. And I do believe we are on our way to create the third consecutive MRI top. I will remain bullish on a weekly scale as long as we stay above the short-term moving average. This short-term moving average, oops, wrong thing. This short-term moving average on a weekly, I believe, should be the 20. It is the 20. As long as we stay above the 20 period moving average, I'm not very concerned. When we start dropping, and we will eventually start dropping, I will consider the 7 period moving average as a point of concern. But right now, all systems go for the bulls. Daily chart. Daily chart was looking great earlier this evening. We made a new all-time high. We hit exactly $49,000, which is absolutely incredible. The candle is currently pulling back. However, we are still holding above 47,000. Now, the red line is approximately where I got out with approximately 30% of my bullish trade in GBTC. I chose not to FOMO back in. And the reason I did not FOMO back in is because I am expecting a second consecutive MRI top this weekend. And therefore, to me, the daily chart has limited upside, and it's too limited of an upside for me to panic FOMO into Bitcoin. I will consider taking more profit at a higher price, approximately $51,000, $52,000. If we get there this weekend, of course, I am trading GBTC. So unless we get there tomorrow, and honestly, I will only have about a 10-minute window tomorrow to trade. Uh, so I may not even get a chance. But on Monday, if Bitcoin is flying high on Monday, I would consider taking that profit. Now, this is already the Friday candle. So Saturday, so the Sunday candle is what will make the MRI top. And therefore, getting out on a Monday would be pretty nice. Let's take a look at that funding rate. Funding rate is a concern, and I am now comfortable with exiting 30% at the red line. I mean, it's possible this thing can stretch another day or two, but I would be very, very careful right now. Now, the weekly chart, while the weekly chart is really bullish, it is obviously a little overextended. I would not be surprised to see a pullback here starting this weekend when we hit another MRI top. Remember, the last time we hit the MRI top, we fell 30%. Not something to sneeze at, you know. I'm not even going to use the closing prices, and we fell 23% in 2 weeks. And if we use, you know, just a 2-day window of using high to low, we fell 27%. So, you know, that's significant. I think that's significant. How did GBTC close? Oh, how did GBTC close out today? GBTC made a new all-time high today, but I'll keep an eye on it tomorrow, right before my next flight takes off. The hourly chart has been very good with the MRI. Notice this, I had this green line. I can actually adjust this slightly and extend it forward. And this so far looks pretty clean. I don't like the fact that we came back to the same area as the prior support. And this is a little bit of a bearish sign, but the candle is very bullish with 25 minutes to go. Honestly, I was bullish right here at 7 p.m. Eastern time when we were making a new all-time high candle. This looked great to me. There's a big cup, little handle. Oh, sorry guys, I'm tired. It is middle of the night, so it's late. Yeah, I heard some rumors about a Canadian ETF. I don't know. I'm sorry if I don't get excited over a Canadian ETF. Eventually there'll be a US ETF. Gold. Yeah, see, this is why I wasn't going overly crazy with gold. It's going down. I'm not bullish gold at all. I'm not gonna say I'm bearish, but gold is not interesting right now. Neither is silver. I'm gonna close silver. I really don't care about silver, and I'm not gonna be anywhere near America for the next few months to sell my silver, so it doesn't really matter to me. So the daily S&P is on an MRI top, as I said yesterday or early this morning, about 12 hours ago. This is not very interesting to me. Sorry, this is interesting to me. My bad. I would be getting out. I would have got out earlier this morning or now. If you were in the futures market, if you were in the cash market, you have to wait till tomorrow's opening day. I would not want to hold Bitcoin through the weekend right now. Sorry, I would not want to hold S&P through the weekend right now. Bitcoin can top this weekend as well. And that's the weekly S&P. Well, there goes this thing, whatever the hell this thing was. How's GameStop doing? Well, the good news is the MRI top date, the MRI buy is coming up, but this thing is going to puke out a lung soon. Death Watch, shitcoin Death Watch. Nope, gotta hang in there. I actually want to get on my flight so I can go to sleep. Can you look at NVIDIA? Yeah, sure. Nope, not here. Whoa, whoa. It is breaking out, but look how overextended it is, and it is on an MRI top tomorrow with earnings coming up. I would consider taking some profit here, especially if it rallies more. If this thing rallies more, I would consider taking profit. But I mean, this thing can go way higher. It's been consolidating for about a year. It's been consolidating for like a year, finally broke out. This thing is going way higher, but the daily MRI is a concern. Weekly should be clean. Weekly is very clean. Weekly is getting started. So it's up to you guys. I mean, I would be bullish this, but I would just be a little concerned on the daily. I don't know if I have any moderators that are awake right now. Oh, they are. Who's awake? Patrick's awake. There's no trading on Monday. Why? What month is this? Oh shit, is it President's Day? Oh, no way. Okay. I guess it's President's Day. It's February. Makes sense.
Once again, American Flight 898 to Philadelphia. Doors will be closing in approximately 5 minutes.
Tilray. I'm not gonna. There's not much I can say about Tilray. I took a look at it the other day. Tilray's bullish. I don't know what the fuck is this? Wow. Wow. What happened? Somebody get killed from smoking too much marijuana? What the hell happened? I don't know. See, this is why I don't trade this stuff. See, this is why I only like trading orderly markets. I don't know. I don't know what to say to this. It may be obvious, but when will the Bitcoin code version become 1.0? It's still in beta. I don't know. Hopefully soon. Hopefully after Taproot. Hopefully after Taproot gets in. Guys, I heard something about some Canadian ETF. I don't think it matters all that much. We need a US ETF, not a Canadian ETF. Anyway, hey, I want to go to sleep. So I need to get on my flight first. But after that, I'm going to go to sleep. Hey, guys, just a short video, just a quick update. And I'm going to be calling it a day. Yeah, so maybe I shouldn't have said that I'm off to Tanzania because now everyone is texting me about Tanzania and you know, giving their friends in Tanzania a heads up that I'm going to be in town, but I'm not going to be hanging out with anyone. That's a vacation, so going to do some safaris. Look, Cuomo should be in prison. So should Hillary. So should many of these politicians. What do you want me to say? All right, well, this is where I'm headed because they don't do COVID insanity. And I'm getting there through Ethiopia because Ethiopia does not require a COVID test if you're transiting, and Tanzania and Zanzibar do not require a COVID test to enter. Getting out of there is going to be tricky, but all right, guys, I'm calling it a day. Oh, by the way, speaking of which, that has to be me, right? Like this is my new Twitter profile. This is my new Twitter profile. Like there it is for a little while. Like I've been staring at this half the day. Like I really think that's me. Good job, Electronic Frontier Foundation. I mean it's like an article against like electronic surveillance. and like that. I'm pretty sure it's my nose, my eye, and my eyebrow. It's like I've stared at this enough. Like it's I don't know. Otherwise, I have a body double somewhere around the world. All right, guys, I'm calling it a day. Good luck trading, and I will see you all hopefully tomorrow morning in between my flights. All right. Talk to you all on the next one. Bye, guys.